In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create chart of accounts templates in QuickBooks Online Accountant. This process is designed to make things more efficient for you and save time when managing multiple clients or just setting up your accounts. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks Online Accountant account. Head over to the webpage and click on the Sign In button. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online from the options available. This step ensures that you're on the correct platform and ready to access all the features of QuickBooks Online Accountant. Next, it's time to enter your credentials. This means typing in your username and password. Once you have them entered, go ahead and click Continue to access your account. Having your login information handy and keeping it secure is always a good practice. And remember, you'll need to do this anytime you access your account. Once you're logged in, your next stop is the Accountant Tools, which you'll find at the top middle part of the screen. These tools are essential for accountants or individuals looking to manage multiple sets of accounts efficiently. With just a click, you'll be offered numerous functions to enhance your QuickBooks experience. After you've accessed the Accountant Tools, look for the COA Templates option and select it. COA stands for Chart of Accounts, and templates are particularly useful because they allow you to set up a financial structure that can be reused, saving you the hassle of creating a new chart from scratch each time. When you've clicked on COA templates, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll see an option to create a new template. Go ahead and click on Create New Template to get started with the actual crafting of your reusable chart. Here you'll choose the type of template you'd like to create. QuickBooks offers various templates designed for different business needs, so select the one that matches your requirements. This ensures that the template encompasses all the necessary categories and accounts you need. Once you've selected the type of template, click on Next. This action moves you forward to another page where you can add detailed information. At this stage, you'll need to input the template name along with other relevant details for your account. Being descriptive yet concise with your naming can help you identify and apply the template in later use. Finally, once all details are filled out, locate the Save button and give it a click. This saves your new template into the system, making it ready for use whenever you need it. Keeping your templates organized is always a great way to ensure smooth workflows in the future. And that's it, you've successfully created a chart of accounts template in QuickBooks Online Accountant. Remember, having these templates can significantly streamline your accounting processes, saving precious time and ensuring consistency across your accounts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.